Hey everybody, Pete Meyer, Motor Age Magazine here with a question for you. What are you doing Saturday, October 12th? Well, if you haven't got anything special planned, I do have something I'd like to share with you. I'd like you to join me in Warminster, Pennsylvania as we attend ASA Pennsylvania's Super Saturday training event and trade show. Again, it's going to be held October 12th, Warminster, Pennsylvania. It's going to be a lot of great training opportunities for you there, a lot of great vendors showing their wares there. More importantly, there's going to be a lot of like-minded technicians and shop owners just like you that you can come out and network with. You know, there's nothing better than sitting in a good class with a good instructor, than sitting in a good class with a good instructor with a lot of other motivated learners. And then you really get the interaction going. You start to really grow and develop professionally. So whether you're a tech or you're just starting in your career, there's going to be something there for you. And shop owners, you're not going to be left out either. You know, if there's some business issues that you're struggling with, if you're looking at how to take your business to the next level, well, the only way you're going to find out is to attend training events like Super Saturday so that you can learn from experts in the field and share the experiences of other shop owners who are looking to accomplish the same goals as you are. So once again, join me. Even if you got something else to do, cancel it. Join me on October 12th, Warminster, Pennsylvania, ASA Pennsylvania's Super Saturday. Go online right now, paautotraining.com, all one word, paautotraining.com, and register. Hope to see you there.